Protect your Honda with a set of all-weather floor mats, designed and engineered by Honda to perform with superior quality, durability, and protection. These custom-designed all-weather floor mats offer 5 key advantages. They're made from a durable thermoplastic material and will look new for years to come by never cracking or fading, unlike other non-genuine floor mats. They're designed by Honda to ensure an exact custom fit to protect against common elements such as snow, ice, dirt, and rain. Intelligently engineered, the Honda High-Wall all-weather floor mats feature deep water retaining ridges and higher outer retention walls for added protection to your vehicle's interior without compromising your safety. They're easy to install using unique factory driver locking retention pins to ensure the mats stay in place and are easily removed for cleaning. Protect your car and pick up a set of Honda Genuine all-weather floor mats, exclusively available at your local Honda dealership.